channel. Today I gonna take you to hiking. Right now I at the Mt BLADY. Okay, the weather today very nice. Right now, I at the Mt BLADY village. It's small town on the way on top of the hiking place. Right now, I at the Mt BLADY visiting center. Right now, I'm right in on top of the mountain. I will show you how pretty the view on top of that. Just walk with me. Have some small cabin inside the trail. Behind me is a waterfall. It came from the mountain. It's very nice. Right now I'm nearby the waterfall. It's a lot of water in this picture because rain a lot in California. Look at that. This is the way that I walk to. Not look tired at all because all the natural is really pretty and the weather very cool. It's gonna be the long way to walk. Okay, 10 miles today, but thank God that I already see the waterfall. Right now I at another trail. It's called Ice House Canyon. Behind me is a small creek and the water came from the mountain. I walk deeper and deeper, get inside the mountain and I see another cabin. I'm so tired, so I take a rest nearby the river and I gonna continue walking and walking. Thank you for watching Chef Koi channel. Today I done my hiking totally around trip is about 6 miles today and I see you in the next video. Ta-da!